This video is for all my shoe lovers out there. So every single time I film in this area of my closet, I get a ton of requests for me to share a shoe collection video or a shoe favorites video. That's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to share my top luxury shoes in all different categories: sneakers, flats, heels, boots. Everything is going to be in this video. Make sure to stay until the end because I do have a new luxury handbag to share with you guys that I haven't had a chance to share with y'all yet, and I'm also going to have a coupon code later on in this video that you can use for your upcoming luxury purchases. So let's go ahead and get started. So first up, I wanted to go and share my favorite luxury boot purchase, and that is by far my Chloe Susanna boots. So I actually purchased the black pair first, and I will admit I don't wear a ton of black. You guys know that if you've been following me for a while. I don't wear a ton of black, but I still enjoyed having these, so I knew I wanted to add another color. So I ended up adding this like chestnut color last year, and I love them. I actually wear these a ton. This particular color is still in stock, so I'll make sure to link them both down below for y'all. They are super comfortable. I get asked that all the time if these are worth it. I definitely think they're worth it. Now, in my opinion, I think it's going to depend on your particular style, which color is worth it for you. Now, even though I don't wear these a lot, I am glad that I got them, but as far as like wear, like cost per wear, I definitely have gotten my money's worth on this color. Maybe not so much this color, but again, I'm still glad that I have these because that kind of is like the classic pair. I did go true to size in these. I think I have them both in a, let me see, where is the sizing? Yes, I did get them both in a 36.5. Like I said, they fit really comfortable. I do have to wear thinner socks with them though, so keep that in mind. But as far as the actual boot itself, they seriously are stunning. They have so much detail, and then you have the inside zip, so making it really easy to get on and off. You got like chunky lower heel, making them super comfortable, and kind of like a rounded almond-ish pointed toe. If you are looking to splurge on a pair of boots, I highly recommend these. When it comes to a classic pump or heels, there are two brands that just have always stuck out for me, and that is Christian Louboutin and Valentino. So these are my Louboutin PIGALLE 100s. If you are looking for just a classic, simple pump, I highly recommend these. They do come in black as well. They're surprisingly really comfortable. They are my most comfortable Louboutin shoes. I'm not saying they're super comfortable, but for a like 4-inch heel, these are actually really comfortable. I love this particular shade of nude as well. It's a beautiful shoe. It's something that you can wear to the office, or you can dress for like, you know, date night or drinks with the girls or whatever it is. You've got the classic pointed toe, a little bit of toe cleavage, which is always nice, and then a stiletto, but it's not too thin. Some of the other heels for Louboutin are super thin. This one is a wearable 4-inch in my opinion. I love this shoe. It has been my favorite classic pump for many years. This is actually my second pair of this exact shoe. I love it that much. I just wanted to make sure to have a backup pair. So I love these. Again, if you're looking for a classic pump, these are my go-to. Now, if you're looking for a classic pump but you want just a little more attitude in them, I definitely recommend the Valentino ROCKSTUD. This is the higher heeled height. I personally feel like it is the most flattering of the bunch. This height just looks so beautiful on the foot, and I really don't like the added ankle strap of the lower version. Again, this has been a go-to pump for me. I actually have this exact shoe in multiple colors. I like it that much. It's still a classic pump with just a little bit of edge to it, but it's something that you can wear to the office, or again, wear for cocktails or date night. It's just such a beautiful classic shoe. Here they are in the black with the nude ROCKSTUD straps. It's a great way to wear a black shoe without it looking or feeling heavy on an outfit. I just love this particular combo. I also have them in red. I will admit I don't wear the red very often. These were a gift, but I do still really love them. They are the perfect shade of red too. Another dressier option that I am currently obsessed with just because I just got them in are these Jimmy Choo shoes. I just ordered these from FARFETCH. They have been on my wish list for just a little while, and I am so glad that I decided to go and order them. They seriously are the most beautiful shoe I have probably ever seen. When they arrived, I actually sent a video text message to my girlfriends because they were so pretty. I had to share them with somebody right away. Like, they seriously are the most beautiful shoe ever. I love them. So if you were looking for like a fun and like sexy heel shoe. They are actually really comfortable as well. So I haven't worn them yet, but I've worn them around the house and I've tried them on, and they are so, these might be my all-time favorite. I'm not even joking. These might be my all-time favorite high heel purchase ever. So these are obviously a really good like nude heel option for your closet, but just like the ROCKSTUDS, they just give a little something extra. There's just something so special about these. I don't know, I just seriously am obsessed. I could just stare at them. They are so beautiful. Oh, I love them. I cannot wait to wear these. I do have a coupon code that you can use on the entire FARFETCH website. I'll put that on the screen right now. I get a code every couple of months from them. I'm pretty sure you can use it on Jimmy Choo. There are a couple of brands that are excluded, but there are also a lot of brands that you can use the coupon code for. Like I said, I'll put it on the screen. There are 3 luxury sandals that I want to go ahead and mention in this video that are my favorites. First up are these by Valentino. Again, they've got this like chunkier blocked heel, and then of course you've got the like classic cage ROCKSTUD detail. I love these. These come in several different colors. They're available year round. You can buy these year round, but obviously I reach for these more in the spring and summer. I love the way these look with dresses, but you can wear them with shorts. You can wear them with rompers. They're so cute, but they just are such a statement shoe in the spring and summer. You can even wear these going into fall, especially this particular color, but I like them, and they are actually really comfortable. Now they did require a little bit of break-in, but just these straps right here, once you've worn them for a while, they don't bother me anymore. Or you can also put some like of that Band-Aid friction on your feet before you put these on, and they're surprisingly really comfortable. I also have to mention these Valentino Espadrille sandals. These have been on my wish list for years, you guys. I don't know why it took me so long, but I finally ordered them a couple of months ago from FARFETCH. They're a really good spring summer luxury sandal option. They're really comfortable, and I actually have known this about it because I have a girlfriend that has them and she swears by them, so I had to get them for this upcoming season. I ended up going with like this kind of gold antique-y look. I think these are going to go with absolutely everything. The Espadrille is really fun for spring and summer as well. So I definitely recommend this style if you're looking for a luxury shoe for the spring and summer. Another Espadrille option are these by St. Laurent. Again, these are a really fun spring and summer Espadrille. These also come in a lot of different colors. This is classic St. Laurent, but just on a wedge. If you're at all familiar with the brand, you're familiar with their classic like heel shoe. And again, this is just that shoe on a Espadrille wedge. They're super comfortable, you guys. Really comfortable. I'll make sure to link these down below. There are 2 styles of like flip-flop sandal type of luxury shoes that I wanted to share with you. First up are these Gucci web flip-flops. I wear these all the time. They do require a little bit of break-in because the like medallion does put a little bit of pressure on the feet, but now these are a grab-and-go sandal for me. I wear them all the time and I think they're super cute. And I also love these by Valentino. Again, just like a slide, easy slip-on version. These were comfortable from the get-go for me. These also come in a few different colors. I could definitely see grabbing them in like a cognac, like camel color. I just really like these. So yeah, if you're looking for just like an easy like sandal flip-flop, these are my 2 favorites. How did I forget about my Hermes Oron sandals? These are also part of my favorite just kind of flip-flop style flat sandals. These are super comfortable as well. I did go true to size. I first bought the gold color, loved them so much that I ended up going back for the white a year later. So I highly recommend these as well. Next, I want to go into a few of my favorite luxury flats. And first up, I have to mention my Gucci Princeton loafers. These are actually the mules, not the loafers. I love these and highly recommend them. They are so comfortable. I have 4 pairs, you guys. Like, that is how much I love them. I have 4 pairs. You really can't go wrong with any of the options, whether you go with like a classic leather or you go with one of their prints. They really are a fun and, like I said, super comfortable shoe. I did go up half a size in all of mine, so I ended up getting a 37 in all of them. That's pretty normal for Gucci shoes. I tend to have to go up half a size in them. They are a really simple shoe, but so classic with that horse bit detail. And you can see it's just a slide-on shoe with a very small kind of chunky heel, and then it just covers the front portion of your foot. This is definitely something that you can wear, especially me living in Texas, most of the year because you do have coverage on most of the foot. If it's super cold, no, these might be a little bit cold for you, but I love these. And if you're looking for a good flat, I definitely recommend these. Next up, I have to mention my Fendi Flats. I love these, you guys. I got these last year and I have been wearing them non-stop throughout the fall. I wasn't sure if they were gonna be so much a fall shoe. Keep in mind, I live in Texas. It's a warmer climate. It is a mesh shoe, but I've been wearing it during the fall and I've not had any issues. So for me, this is a year-round shoe. Maybe on super, super cold days, I may not be able to wear these, but this is pretty much a year-round shoe for me. I love them so much that I ended up ordering another color combo. I did get these from FARFETCH as well, but I really had to get this nude color combo for spring and summer. Again, this is definitely something you can wear year round, but for some reason I gravitated toward the classic Fendi brown. But when I knew that it was a comfortable shoe, I knew I had to get it in the nude color. And like I said, I went ahead and ordered them from FARFETCH. I really do love FARFETCH. I've been ordering a ton of things from them over the last couple of years. So if you're looking for luxury, that's a really great way to find pieces that are harder to find. I'll make sure to link these down below, but I definitely recommend in general, if you're looking for luxury pieces, always check out FARFETCH. And like I said, I do have that coupon code. I'll pop it on the screen one more time. Next, I want to go into a few of my favorite luxury sneakers. First up, I just have to mention my P448 sneakers. I talk about these all the time. These are my favorite as far as comfort by far. They are so comfortable and I reach for them the most just because of that. I'll make sure to link some options down below. They're also the best price point when it comes to luxury sneakers. You can get them for under $300 and a lot of times I even find them on sale. I will say my pair is a very simple version of a lot of the, from a lot of the other P448 sneakers out there. They do a lot of glitter, a lot of print, a lot of pattern. I went for these just because I wasn't sure if that was my thing yet. This was kind of my entry into luxury sneakers. I realized how much I like them, so now I have an entire collection of them. But I really like these, and if you're looking for a good luxury sneaker, you want something comfortable, go for these. I'll link them down below. I also have to mention my Gucci Ace sneakers. I get asked about these all the time. They are very, very comfortable. They're very easy. They are classic Gucci. You really just cannot go wrong with a Gucci Ace sneaker. I did go down an entire size in these because they run really, really, really big. If you're looking for a classic luxury sneaker, this is a really good option. Now, these are my current favorite luxury sneaker. I have been wearing these non-stop ever since I got them in. These are by Golden Goose. I was really looking for something specific and I fell in love with the leopard and the snake print combo on these. I'm pretty sure I ordered these from FARFETCH as well. These are super, super comfortable. If you're looking for a pair of Golden Goose sneakers and you're just worried about comfort, I would definitely check these out. Speaking of Golden Goose, I wanted to go ahead and share, I just got another pair in. I actually ordered these from FARFETCH. This was totally not on purpose. I just ordered these and figured I'd go ahead and share them in this video as well, since we were talking about shoes. But I wanted to go ahead and get like a fun pair of Golden Goose sneakers. And y'all know how much I love my leopard, so I thought these were so much fun. You've got a lot of distressing and the leopard all throughout. I've already tried these on. They're super, super comfortable, so I cannot wait to wear these and style these. They're very different. If you look at all of my other shoes, these are really, really different. I don't have anything in a loud print like this. When it comes to like the Golden Goose or my P448s, I went pretty subtle with all of them, and I just figured I would go ahead and take the plunge and give one a try. Like I said, I did order these from FARFETCH, so I'll go ahead and link these exact ones down below for you guys. I'm pretty sure you can use the coupon code on these as well. So the last pair of luxury sneakers that I wanted to go ahead and mention are these by Louis Vuitton. I am kind of obsessed with these as well. So I actually got these as a gift, so they weren't even on my radar or my wish list, but they were a very, very nice surprise and something that I truly am enjoying. They're super, super comfortable. I did go down half a size in these. I don't think I can link them for you guys, but I just wanted to go ahead and mention them in this video. As promised, here is my little handbag reveal. I wanted to go ahead and mention it in this video because I did order this handbag from FARFETCH, and I figured since I was sharing my FARFETCH code in this video, I would go ahead and mention this handbag reveal here in this video as well. So this is the Givenchy Antigona in the mini size. I do not have anything Givenchy in my collection at all. I've wanted to get a Givenchy bag for a while, while, and I knew that I wanted to add an Antigona. I just didn't know what size Antigona. I kept going back and forth between this and the small size, and ultimately I decided on this one because of the fact that you can wear it crossbody. I really liked that option. I also knew that I wanted to get a color that was different from anything that I had in my collection. I naturally gravitated towards like the camel color, and I just have a lot of bags in that color. So I decided to go for this like oyster color. It's such a beautiful like pearl ivory color. It is a cream, but it's got a little touch of gray. It's gonna go really well with a lot of my nude shoes for sure. It'll even go really nicely with my new Fendi Flats. Let me go and grab those. Let's see how they look together. That is a really good combo. Hopefully that is coming up on camera, but those complement each other really nicely. I love those together. So like I said, this one comes with the longer adjustable strap, so I can wear this crossbody if I want to, or I can take the strap off and carry it handheld. I think it's a really good size. I watched a ton of videos making sure the size was gonna work for all of my essentials and some, and it is. So I'll make sure to link this one down below. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you can use the coupon code on Givenchy as well. So again, if you're gonna buy this bag or anything else, make sure to use that coupon code and save a little bit of money. But I'm so excited. Isn't that pretty? It even works perfectly with the blouse I'm wearing today. Isn't that so cute? I love it. It's so cute. It reminds me of a Speedy, but just a like less casual version. It's a little bit more elevated, a little bit more structured. I really like it. It's so pretty, and I think the size is going to be perfect. So that is everything, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys have any other shoe or luxury requests or questions, and I'll try to either make a follow-up video or answer those questions down below in the comments. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda. I hope you decide to stick around. Before you head out, make sure to check out one of these, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Do you miss me at all?